Okay, hello traders, and welcome to a live trading update for Master the Markets. It's Srinapan here, founder of Master the Markets, Elite Trades Conference, and the Traders Open Day. So here we are on this Euro Yen trade, and my quick topic for today is going to be as I'm running through this trade, which is just a little bit under 800 pounds, is on how do you build actually a sustainable strategy that continues to work in any market condition. Now, for that, traders, firstly, you need to know your probability of winning. I think I've gone through this in the other videos. You must know your probability of winning. And for this very important thing, I can't stress this enough, you must have quantified your rule parameters, okay? And the way that you put your parameters together has got to be based on a concept and objective that repeats itself again and again and recurs in the market again and again as well. Again, we have done lots of up-in videos on this concept of certain strategies that recur in the market again and again as well. Now, so that's one thing. Always know your probability of winning. And once you know your probability of winning, then you must go into law of numbers. You must take as many trades as possible for the probability to fulfill itself. It's very similar to a coin flipping scenario where you cannot get 50-50 probability of getting heads to tails if you do not flip the coin enough times. This is what we were going through in the elite meeting as well. I mean, the best place actually to learn from us live is probably in our next live trading evening. So we hope to see you guys there. Now I just got to be aware of basically closing this trade now at because it's getting close to 1 o'clock. So let me just get very aware. So let's see how many seconds we got. So we got just about less than 20 seconds, it's going to be 10 seconds. This is the thing, we've got to be quite disciplined as well, is it not? I mean, exactly where we're going to close our trades as well. This is what we do, and that's what you only got to do as a trader, just consistency, that's all you can do, right? So that's what we want to be focusing on. So that's it. Closing my trade over there on Euro Yen. That's 800 pounds banked in, and another let me just show you that. So on our account history, you can see over here that we've just taken it nicely, 821 pounds, just less than, a little bit less than 1,000. And you can see another one here on Cabo as well. We've taken about just a little bit less than 2,500 pounds as well. So you can see that we just opened this on the 25th of April. It's closed it on 26th. Yes, there are some strategies where you can close it just in 1 or 2 days, but of course you do need a lot of thinking and thought behind those strategies to cover all the angles and to get a very strong probability that will recur in the market again and again. This is what we professionally do here at Master the Markets. Okay. Right, to know more about the strategies and everything, feel free to come and meet us live now. Next live trading evening, we'll be more than happy to see you guys over there. Okay. Alright, so that's all from me on this video. And as we say till the next time, stay disciplined, follow your trading plan, and keep trading like a master.